If you believe the time is right for a high-performance tractor that's easy to operate and even easier to become attached to, you've got it with White. For responsive power with fingertip control, for standout styling and intelligent design, you've got it with White. For easy shifting and 32 speeds that'll get you where you want to be. For a quiet cab with all-day comfort and a great view. For a tractor you'll be proud to take home, you've got it with White. Today, White is giving you more of what you'd like to see with the new Quadrashift workhorse tractors. They're part of an expanding line of 6100 series models. They're beautifully styled and functionally designed. They feature a cab that surrounds the operator with information, access, and user-friendly control. They're powered by efficient, long-running Cummins engines. They're managed by the all-new Quadrashift transmission with a 4-speed power shift, 32 forward speeds, and 32 reverse speeds. They feature an electronic control system that monitors and protects 5 major areas of the tractor, and they're equipped with an electronically precision-controlled 3-point hitch. There are 2 new Quadrashift tractors. The Model 6124, rated at 124 PTO horsepower, and the 6144 at 142 horsepower. Both include 6-cylinder B-Series Cummins engines with 359 cubic inch or 5.9-liter displacement. The 6124 is turbocharged for quicker response and strong torque backup. The 6144 is turbocharged and aftercooled. The heavy cast iron frame has become a characteristic trademark for White tractors. It provides a strong one-piece mounting for the engine and front axles. It protects the engine and front chassis from harmful shock loads, such as hitting a hidden washout in the field. The frame protects the engine and other components from damaging torsional loads from the drivetrain, especially on tractors equipped with power front axles. It adds balanced weight for improved traction and field performance. The frame also features flat surfaces with drilled and tapped bolt holes for convenient mounting of loaders, chemical tank frames, and other attachments. The Cummins engines powering the Quadrashift tractors are virtually unmatched in performance and reliability. They are one of the most popular and sought-after agricultural power plants in the world. Cummins engines offer the best peak torque levels in their class, providing better performance over the entire operating range. The engine size is well matched to the size of these 2 tractors. Engine volumetrics are lower, and less internal engine weight requires less energy to move, resulting in greater fuel economy. An innovative cylinder block design has the oil cooler housing, water pump volute, and oil pump housing cast into the block. This design reduces the number of gaskets, housings, and hardware. Piston and cylinder cooling is supplemented by internal block-mounted nozzles that direct engine oil spray to the underside of the pistons, adding increased life to power components. A single-piece cross-flow cylinder head has air intake passages opposite the exhaust outlets. Intake air remains cooler and more dense, promoting cleaner combustion and greater fuel efficiency. An integral intake manifold eliminates the need for multiple gaskets. Turbocharging drives more air into the engine, improving fuel economy and adding more power. The Quadrashift transmission is standard equipment in these tractor models. It offers the convenience of a power shift transmission and the more cost-effective synchromesh transmission. The Quadrashift transmission is made up of 2 planetary gear sets, 2 stationary hydraulic pistons, and 2 clutch brake packs in the front area. Engine power is transmitted efficiently without the need of rotating clutch packs. This combination of 2 planetary gear sets and 2 clutch packs provide 4 different speeds that can be shifted under full power without foot clutching. The mid-mounted synchromesh gear section provides 4 synchronized shifts. These are mechanical shifts requiring the foot clutch for smooth, easy shifting. The high-low range section, located in the rear of the transmission, is an electro-hydraulically controlled shift that doubles the number of gears from 4 to 8. It is a synchronized shift and requires the use of the foot clutch. The control for the high-low range and the 4-speed synchromesh gearbox are combined in the floor-mounted lever just to the operator's right. With the 4 power shift speeds in each of 8 synchronized gears, the Quadrashift transmission provides a total of 32 forward and 32 reverse speeds. Quadrashift also features synchronized shuttle shifting with gears located in the middle of the transmission assembly. This shift is synchronized and can be made on the roll to provide a reverse speed for each forward speed. The forward-reverse shuttle control is located in the right cab control console. The new 32-speed Quadrashift transmission has 14 of its speeds available in the working range of 2.5 to 7.5 miles per hour. This provides an excellent choice of gears to match any field operation. The average speed change between each of the 32 gears is 17% and is close ratioed, keeping the tractor and implement traveling at optimum speed, increasing productivity and placing less stress on the engine and powertrain. Transport speed of 22.6 miles per hour gets the tractor to and from fields faster and saves valuable working time. The Quadrashift transmission clutch is made to carry the horsepower and high torque loads. This large 13-inch double-disc cerametallic clutch is designed for extended life. Quadrashift tractors are equipped with an electronic control system that monitors and protects 5 major tractor areas: the transmission, PTO, power front axle, differential lock, and low-pressure hydraulics. This system improves reliability while it increases operator comfort, convenience, and safety. In the transmission, electronic control limits the speed at which high-low range changes can be made, protecting the gearbox. It prevents downshifts when engine speed is over 2,400 RPM, and it prevents sequential upshifts if engine RPM drops more than 12%. The electronic control system senses loads to provide smooth PTO engagement, disengages the PTO during extreme engine overloading, and provides a bypass override for the clutch. In the 4-wheel drive system, electronic control engages the power front axle when both brakes are applied if traveling over 3 miles per hour. It also disengages the power front axle when traveling faster than 9 miles per hour to reduce tire wear and vibration. Electronic control engages the power front axle when the diff lock is applied for extra traction. And anytime the tractor is shut off, the power front axle is engaged to provide a 4-wheel parking brake. The electronic control system disengages the diff lock when the 3-point hitch is raised and re-engages it when the hitch is lowered. It will do the same when brakes are applied and released. When traveling over 9 miles per hour, it disengages the diff lock for better maneuvering. In the hydraulic area, the electronic control shuts off component parts that are susceptible to damage from low pressure, such as the PTO. It also prevents function of the Quadrashift when its oil temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit to protect the clutch packs and prevent power shift damage. Quadrashift tractors have reliable final drive assemblies. Heavy inboard planetary rear final drives are designed for long life. Torque loads are spread over 3 pinion gears for reduced tooth load. The electro-hydraulic rear differential lock is easily engaged at the flip of a switch. A dog-toothed sliding coupler locks both rear axles together to eliminate individual wheel slippage. Hydraulically actuated inboard wet disc turning brakes run in oil to keep the discs and brake pads cool and lubricated. This provides positive braking action, eliminating fading and assuring better control of the tractor. A choice of rear axles provides use of a wide variety of wheels and tires. The massive 3 3/4 inch bar type axles are available in a standard width of 93 inches. The optional 118-inch axle permits the mounting of cast dual wheels or hub assembly for steel disc duals. With these options, operators can equip their tractors with a large choice of tire sizes, including the new 18-446 radial tires. The 6124 and 6144 Quadrashift tractors are available with two-wheel drive and an optional power front axle, which provides significantly increased traction and pulling power. It is electro-hydraulically engaged on the go with the flip of a switch. The power front axle reduces wheel slippage and increases drawbar horsepower up to 20%. A 50-degree turning angle provides easier turning and maneuvering. In addition, the white power front axle is engineered with a Positrack limited slip differential that reduces individual front wheel slippage automatically. Both tractor models are equipped with 540 and 1,000 RPM independent power takeoff. This versatility allows the operator to hook up to a wide variety of PTO equipment. A pivoting PTO shield increases clearance for drive shaft hookup. Hydraulic engagement is electronically modulated through a wet multi-disc PTO clutch. The rugged Category 2, 3 narrow, and 3 three-point hitch has a lift capacity of 10,400 pounds to handle a variety of equipment for planting, cultivating, and other jobs. The three-point hitch on the white 6124 and 6144 is electronically controlled to adjust the depth, maximum height, draft sensitivity, and lowering speed at the control center on the right-hand console. Accurate draft control is provided through electronic lower link sensing. This precise system transfers implement weight for minimal tire slippage and improved field performance. Extendable lower link ends make it easier to hook up three-point mounted implements, and a quick hitch is an available option. Hydraulic performance is achieved through a closed center flow and pressure compensated system. The externally mounted radial piston pump is mounted on the right side of the transmission case, accessible for service and maintenance. It delivers quick response and a flow of 27 gallons per minute at the remotes. Relief valve pressure is 2,900 psi. 3 remote hydraulic valves are standard equipment, and a 4th valve is optional, with ISO lever release breakaway couplers. This allows the operator to hook up to multiple cylinders and hydraulically operated larger equipment such as 12-row folding planters. The overall styling and appearance of these new models is gracefully sculptured and striking, but their real beauty comes from superbly engineered features and well-designed functionality. Climb into the cab of the white Quadrashift tractor and see for yourself what puts them at the head of their class. On the way, you'll notice that the cab is positioned ahead of the rear axle for a smoother ride. Isolation mounting helps cushion and quiet the cab even in rough conditions. The steps have wide self-cleaning platforms to remove dirt and debris from boots and shoes. The doorway is wide to make entrance and exit more convenient. Ease yourself down into the deluxe air ride seat and adjust any or all of its 10 support features to conform to your size, weight, and body contour. Now that you're comfortably seated, snap the seat belt. Then bring the tilt and telescoping steering wheel into the position that's perfect for you. Besides moving in any direction, the seat swivels 10 degrees to the right and 20 degrees to the left to make it easier to look to the back over either shoulder. Move your feet around. You'll notice the floor is uncluttered and pedals are suspended, leaving ample room for foot movement. So settle back and enjoy the great view. This cab has 49 square feet of solar control tinted glass, turning the areas around the tractor into a panoramic scene. The view from the operator's seat is unobstructed. There are no front corner pillars, left or right, only clear glass. The hood slopes toward the front, adding to the operator's field of vision. The muffler and air intake are under the hood, with the exhaust stack located at the middle pillar, right-hand side, almost totally out of sight. And to the back, the angle of view to the rear hitch has been improved by moving the cab forward. White has improved your night vision too. A total of 8 halogen lights are mounted high on the cab, 4 in front and 4 aimed to the rear to flood your nighttime working area with light. Front-mounted adjustable headlights have a high and low beam. With a high-capacity climate control system, the cab's comfort level will stay just right for the operator in all weather conditions. The heating and air conditioning system controls are easy to reach with vents strategically located for your comfort. And the air conditioning system uses the environmentally friendly HFC 134A refrigerant. Another example of this tractor's real design beauty is placement of the operator's controls. The Quadrashift's 4-speed power shift control lever and the 3-point raise and lower rocker switch are found on a convenient seat-mounted console in front of the right armrest. Whether the seat moves up, down, forward or back, or swivels from side to side, this control group goes with you, always at your right hand. Hydraulic controls are located to the right, in line with the operator's shoulder for easy straightaway movement. White Quadrashift tractors keep you fully informed. Dash-mounted analog gauges measure engine performance, and a warning light panel provides a flashing light and audible alarm to call your attention to an area needing service. The new FieldFacts monitor is located in the dash's upper right corner and displays tractor performance. The new monitor gives 2 digital readouts at the same time: engine RPM along with ground speed, PTO speed, or engine hours. The Quadrashift transmission display is positioned on the center of the middle pillar, right side, angled for the operator's easy viewing. The LED display shows at a glance which Quadrashift gear selection the transmission is operating in. Just one look at these tractors will give you an immediate indication of the ease of service that's been designed into them. For starters, complete engine access is available by flipping a lever. Gas-powered cylinders raise the entire hood, which is hinged at the front for easier maintenance. In addition, 2 panels on each side of the engine remove easily to provide wide-open access to the engine and radiator area. The front screen panel pops off easily to clean and service cores for the air conditioner, oil cooler, and radiator. Batteries are located under the top cab entry step, where they're kept clean and protected. If maintenance should be required, the clipped cover is easily removable. If an electrical boost should be needed, external jumper connections are provided near the cab steps. Fuel filling is easy too. Stand comfortably and safely on the extra wide steps to reach the filler neck on the rear fender. The molded polyurethane tank is neatly tucked away beneath the cab. From one end to the other, you'll like the way these new tractors have been designed and put together. They're built tough and rugged to handle years of hard work and heavy loads. Yet they're refined with the latest technology, comfort, and control. Styling is modern and attractive, providing improved operator visibility and better resale value. And top all that off with high-performing Cummins engines and the all-new Quadrashift transmission. In addition, White Quadrashift tractors are backed by a strong dealer network and supported by a complete warranty package featuring 2 years of full coverage and 2 optional coverage packages. So take a good long look at the new 6124 and 6144 Quadrashift tractors. Because if you are looking for the best tractor value today, you've got it with White.